I check. Welcome to another day of backtesting profitable. So today is Sunday, and it's day 122. Backtesting every day until I'm profitable. And let's get started. So there was, I think previous week, there was a problem with the power outage. Like every time around these hours, we get a power cut. So that's what's happening right now. So yeah, we gotta deal with it that way. So let's get started, and let's see what we can learn from the markets today. So 2021 ICT futures model, we can actually finish it if we do good. Let's go. But I can add some no copyright music. Okay, so these are some ones from yesterday. Now, yeah, I can start. I'm doing it from my room, so I don't mind my brother there. So let's start. Here, looking good. We are on the daily time frame, as you can see. So on the daily time frame, we were bullish, but after doing this shift, I can see that we are kind of bearish. We didn't break above this high, and we're inside this little block here. This will be right here. And when you zoom in, look at something like this. Exactly. So you can see that we have a nice parallel gap from here to here, and you can see that the candle is up, like near the high. So we've been expecting the price to reject the gap and drop lower. Since we're rejecting this high time frame fair value gap, so let me mark the fair value gap. So fair value gap for the block, but I'd like to mark it on the 4 hours of each. This, you can see the last up close candle here. For the block is here. See price drop and to get these lows around here. This one's here, but it's most likely that it might first retrace into this big gap that's here, because it's far from the really big gap. So it might push higher and respect this one before we drop instead of respecting the daily. So you gotta be open-minded and see what happens now. This so for the 1H, you can also mark this gap here. Also this one inside. You gotta keep an eye. And another extra confluence is that when you look here, you see that we have an SMT, huge one. So bearish price action is anticipated here. Down to 5 minutes. Let's see what happens at the open. God, this boy is really playing with us. So Fed share was speaking today. It was Monday. that 15-minute fairly gap. Let's see what's happened. So open, explode higher, and the 5-minute take out this gap, and wow, the power is back. You can see the light has changed, so that's great. Now we end up taking out this high. We're still in this 15-minute fairly gap. Let's see what is to happen. So back to the one. If you see these fair value gaps inversed, then we can look for some sells. Suppose yes, looking like good. So I think here we can look for some entry. So why am I looking for an entry? Back to 15. We have a very big SMT here. And we're in a POI, and we have the sweep. Down for 5 on the 1. You can see that on the 1 minute, here the state right here. So I think we can ride it somewhere from here. Or we can see it like here. So I don't think we will retest here. Like I would like to enter on a retest, but I don't think we will retest. So I entered right there, even though it's a bit late, but yeah, entered at this relatively close here. It's at 9:38. Few minutes after the open. So that would be it to break even once we reach 12.946. Getting stepped out. It's normal. No big deal. So let's follow this. I think this reminded me of something. Looking back on the 1H, we can see that we have these lows taken out. This that happened on Friday. You can see we took out these lows. So it's possible that this gap might get inverted. Hence, here I'd flip my bias to bullish. Let's see how 15 looks like. Higher. I'm thinking we might hit this 1 hour gap that I had marked earlier. So we've also taken out this high though. This one on ES, but ES hasn't done that yet. So let's be on the look. It's also possible that we might just rebalance this whole move, because if we rebalance it, we're already in premium, so we gotta react accordingly. some kind of consolidation, so I'd rather wait. So we end up breaking past it. Yes, let's wait for try. So got anything to hit. We haven't hit the high yet. Disrespecting this daily behavior. This 1 hour, so I will obviously be looking to target this 1 hour gap. Trades again, taking up an hour in the next session. The light roll in this speedy. It's not up to the light. Let's see what is up. Consider reducing the gap. I don't know if I'm still standing on cells. Hey man, voy a decrease the show you think. Maybe not the sequence expand lower here. Okay, got some kind of a balance, obviously. Not a huge range of price. As you can see here, the 5 minute created an inversion. And we got the change in the stage right here. So we might as well go this other block. Okay. So let's go to 1 minute and wait for a retest to achieve the state sessions here in this other block. Let's see. So 2 minute fair value gap, sorry. Side here. And take some short term sells. Let's go like this. Press up above this high. And the price to expand a little bit lower. Somewhere maybe inside these gaps here. This one. But it might depend where is the discount. Going to here. So discount is here. So here's this. So let's see, you can turn inside here on this little block. So let's put some small risk here. Half. So let's try that risk at okay. And I ended up with 138. 1 minute. Time zone, price action is good. Having used Federal Powers, generally speaking. So this ends up becoming an L day. And the funny thing is we failed to break above the 5-minute inversion. Let's see what happens later on. Look at this. How this inversion period got played out, danced around, and then ended up displacing in the power hour. So this was really clean, even though I didn't get the setup, but this was clean. So this is another L. More inversions. Now let's go to the next day open. Let's start with the daily. See how it's looking like. So what do I see here? Well, you can see that the SMT, it's possible that the SMT might not hold, and as we look into the time frame, inverse this. So looks like bearish price action is gonna be trashed out, but I don't think this bullish PA will be for long. I'm thinking we might head up into this recap here, push somewhat here, and then a drop later. So here we're taking out buy side, and then a later drop respecting this SMT. That's what I'll be looking out for. So got the gap here. This inversion here. 4H now. I don't think we respect this one. Trend so low that we respect this one when we have relatively equal highs. So I'll be looking for buys. I'll be standing on buys for sure. Here we have a clean sweep of liquidity and an SFT. You can see from here. For the 4-hour inversion, sign of bearishness. Now, take a look at the 1H. From the 1 hour, how's it looking like? We have this up here, and then right side. And I'd like to mark the midnight open of this Tuesday so we can see where we are in price. So midnight one was here. It's funny how we're above the midnight open, so we might reject this gap and drop. So if we do drop, price might be about to be somewhat bearish. Because, well, see, nice sweep of those lines. And we have some lows here. And these London lows, so London highs already taken a bit, so London lows might be the liquidity. I've retraced those London lows right here, respecting this fair value gap here without needing to take out these highs. But the analysis was also basically to push higher into the gap and then drop, because we have a big high time frame asset that came as an extra confluence though. It did not just frame it out. And then market opens just like this. With the crazy swords. So you can see that the 5 minutes is dropping nicely with inversion. So the only place for me to enter the 5 is if we have a retracement in this state. Put my stops on around there. I might take it this one here. 1% break even once we reach 13.83, 13.85. So once we reach 13.05, oh god, we didn't enter limit, sorry. What happened though? Like we got filled. Did we hit SL? What in the world was that? I thought we hit TP though. Oh, I think we got filled, but I still don't understand. We should have got filled, moved to break even already. It's not making any sense. But this was a really good entry. I mean, look, it's a few minutes and then the win is locked in. You can see it drop nicely here, and we also have a 1 minute change in the state here, which you can see that we traced into, as well as this gap. Then we drop, so should have been legit. I don't know what happened, but yeah, this is on them. Okay, I can't blame them because I'm not one to play the blame game, but this was a righteous win that we just got denied of. Okay, so how's the 15 now? Well, 15 is creating a fair value gap. Let's see if we can retrace to that. Okay. Get this gap 15, and when we go lower, well, we can enter for this. Stop there. We have the shift here, and we can expand to these lows here. But I still don't understand how that entry got off. It's funny. 15-minute. So I'm thinking I would reject it, but I go in with low risk because my emotional structure of the day has been destroyed a bit, if I can say so. Okay, this is rigged. This is rigged, man. What in the world was this? I ain't doing anything else for the day. Let's wait and see how just price moves. Won't be trading. Just be looking at price. However, I don't think this was a clean sweep. Let me first turn on this. It's another L for the day. 3 L's in a row. But I can't lie, I think I had married my buys there. Speaking on the week, what was this revenues this day? We had, was it 12? Future pool. Time of entry window. Okay, look at time. This was the second trade of the day. Risk. Okay. Let's go to the next day open. Now start with the daily. Are in some kind of consolidation here. I can't believe what I'm seeing. Well, took out the high. So what's happening here? It's kind of funny though. Biden premise until didn't rush into the gap. And for each. We've had some previously high get taken out. This, and we're in this fairly gap. So are we gonna drop to this river and continue lower, or we're just gonna stand here? It's Thursday. It's Wednesday. Yeah. Well, we have this week. We're in this fairly gap. We're currently holding in this order block somewhere around here, and we've converted this one, so we might look for some souls. And let's see how this thing's looking like. Well, was thinking that we reached consequent encouragement of the week, but Beverly did didn't dropped, so what happened here? I don't know, London session. And well, I don't think we respect this gap, and I think we're gonna reverse it. But wait a minute. Relatively close, clear sweep, so market open and drop below this version. So I'm thinking might run for this those here. So in the morning, some London, some Asia highs here, but again also Asia lows. And still the London lows are still trading up there. We've reversed these, so we have good inversions. Create a nice gap at the open, which we test. Asia lows, the market has already came for you. This relatively close. Good smash, so I don't see an entry here, except for this sweep maybe, but I don't see an internal sweep in here, except if you manage to enter in this Shenzhen state right here, and that's already pre-market. So 3 minutes grace, another block. Continues to turn lower. Well, I think I'll finish today's session here. Let's check how the analytics look like. Things like some 30 something there, 44, and the dashboard 46. So not bad. Stay blessed.